Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I'm an introvert. According to the dictionary, that means I'm bad at throwing parties, but I'm not going to let that stop me from throwing one anyway. It's one thing to throw a party, it's an entirely different thing to throw a successful party. To throw a successful party, you need these 3 party tropes. As I stood there, definitely pulling off flossing, I started thinking. Maybe being an introvert doesn't mean you can't throw a party. Or maybe there are way too many people in my life that are willing to cater to my bad ideas.
Will you stay with me under the moonlight? I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
There's no better place to show off your work and attract new clients than with a Squarespace website. Using the new Design Intelligence feature on Squarespace makes the process of starting from scratch super fast and simple. You don't know where to start with filling out the content of your site? Design Intelligence gives you a huge head start. You can then try out different color themes and fonts and instantly see how your site will look. Or you can get started with a wide variety of professionally designed website templates and then make it your own. And when you're ready to book clients, you can easily create professional proposals, estimates, and contracts to make it all official. You can then invoice your clients and accept payments from ACH Direct Debit, Klarna, Apple Pay, and more. Head to squarespace.com/MangoStreet for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, use the code MangoStreet at checkout to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or domain.